Hey John, Talon and I wanted to send you a video to kind of go over a few things that we've done to our barn since you were here when you dropped off the calf. One of the first things we did, we doubled up our shade screen there for our Beefmaster heifer, and it is like night and day difference compared to one screen setup. We got my niece's county calf in, and then we've got Talon's county calf at pen set up, and then the limousine calf that we bought from you. Something else we done, we put up we took our 20-foot span here, we put up two 10-foot panels and drove our brace post, PVC covers, caps. And so we've got room to tie 7 calves side by side, or we can spread them out and get 3 in there so we get room on both sides. And then we added a run on. We just went with T-post, and we can kick our calves out through this gate, and the gate swings open and changed to our 4x4 post there, and we just been tying a 2-inch band across. It's not hot, but they're not pushing through it. On our other gate here, those 2 bands are hot. Then we just did 4 strands of wire. So this is the steer run. We had a little malfunction when we put the round bell in, so we've got a hay ring over right now. The calves aren't rubbing on it yet, so as soon as they do, we're going to pull that out if they start rubbing on it, or try to get that out there where they just got hay, but they're hammering the Sudan for sure. We got it set up where we can kick our calves out and from their pens. We've got a small alley here. If we have one that's not wanting to go back in, we can swing gates open and divert them wherever we need. And we're not keeping any calves in the practice pen at all. So we just got through putting cedar shavings out. We got some mats down, but we're just using this for a practice pen only. We've got our bungee ties set up, enough to tie 2 calves. And then we put a gate here in this corner. So our next game plan is to use this for our heifer run. So we can just kick the heifer out here. We're just gonna put another fence across there. And then we'll have a gate here where the tractor is, so we can drive through to take hay to our commercial cows. And we've even got it set up where we've got a small gate there. We can move cows around without having to load anything or lead them. This is if we want to kick steers in the pasture or heifers or whatever. So last thing we've done past couple of years, we've been just hauling our scales in and out of the shop, and we used to use this little area for a tie out. Didn't hold but just a couple of calves, so we set our scales there and drove some T-posts, and we still want to make some more modifications. But we've got a gate here we can lead them out, another gate here we can open and just bring them right back in. And I don't have it set up where a small calf could walk through, but a big calf we're just going to have to back out. But it works for the space that we have. So I've got the fans turned off right now just so I can make the video. But we've got a fan here. We're fixing to move to this pen blowing in here. We're going to end up having 4 fans, so 1 for each calf. So we've got 2 fans moving a breeze through the barn right now. And the barn set up, we have a predominant southeast wind, so we get a lot of wind running through the barn, and I've got the fans blowing in the same direction. So, but just wanted to share it with you, buddy. If you see anything, I know my video is pretty shaky, but if there's anything that you think we might could change up or improve on, feel free to let us know. One of the things I want to do is take 2x6s on the bottom of these panels and go all the way around. At some point, I want to end up having this whole practice pen in cedar shavings instead of just dirt. But seems like every step we make forward, we got something else we're doing on the list, but that's all right. So hope you are doing well, John, and hope you like the setup.